This is Clinton D65 Professional 1959 saw. It's originally sold by Montgomery Ward's, also called the D65. Came with a factory optional 36-inch 404 chain, Penfield Saw Works, vintage bar, beaver ply it's called. Even has a hole for a handle on the end. Very unusual saw. It's got articulated saw dogs, spring loaded. No real muffler. I did add a stainless steel surround here. Normally there's a mesh screen in here, but the exhaust is so powerful it blew it out when I tried installing one. Has the original plastic air intake boot and brass mesh air filter in here. Manual pump oiler. Unfortunately, this is a part you can't get. It's got a little crack in it, so it doesn't pump that well. It's real defined. It has a Tillotson HL. It's actually a 97A diaphragm carburetor. Wonderful. I love those carburetors. See them on a lot of the vintage equipment up to the 70s. Also has a very unusual clutch. I've taken this apart. It's a roller clutch. It's got barbell shaped rollers in them. There's about something like 8 of them. Also, Monkey Ward's logo here. Also, very unusual. 3 compression rings. There's good compression. Runs well. I started cleaning it. It was decades and decades of cooked on oil and sawdust. The problem is, when I cleaned it, the paint comes off too, so I stopped. I want to preserve some of that original paint. It's a cream color. Runs well. I'm going to start it up.